First thing I check, can I pull something out of all three of those terms?
No.
I can pull a 2 out of the first two, but not the and the third, but not the fourth term. So there's no make this one easy happening in this particular problem. Next order of business is to say, all right, let's take the first group and see if we can factor some stuff out with the objective of getting a common binomial that can be factored out. So this one, yeah, I can pull out a 2. So we'll start there. And an x squared? All right. Let's do it in one shot then. 2x to the third, factor out of 2x squared leaves me x. Negative 12x squared, pull out of 2x squared leaves me minus 6. And I'll write the rest of these guys down. Are we all okay with that? Didn't lose anybody? All right. Let's look at the second group now. I've got these guys over here. What can I yank out that they have in common? Pull out a 3. All right. Don't change the first one. So 2x squared, x minus 6. Now I'm going to pull out a 3. Leaves me 6 minus x. Yeah, 3 is a good choice to pull out. Do I have the same binomial now that I can pull out? No, I don't. I'm kind of stuck now. Except for this one nice thing I can do. If I go ahead from this guy, I'm going to factor out a negative 1. What that does is it changes all the signs, right? So that means that this first guy is not going to change. 2x squared, x minus 6, minus 3. I'm going to factor out a negative 1. So the signs change. So this now becomes a positive x minus a 6. Because the positive 6 becomes negative, and the negative x becomes positive, and now I have an x plus 6 in each term I can yank out. So I've gotten where I wanted to get. Solve factoring by grouping, the objective is to have a common binomial you can pull out. Now in both of these guys, I have that x minus 6 term. And this was the key. Remember, when you factor out, a negative 1, you change the sign. Or you could think of it as flipping over the minus sign. That's what I basically did. I flipped around that negative. Now addition, you can flip around all you want, because addition can be done in any order. 1 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 1. You still have 3. Subtraction's different. We learned that way back in elementary. 2 minus 1 is not 1 minus 2. Now I can go ahead and pull out the common factor of x minus 6. So x minus 6, not 3. Pen got ahead of the brain there. X minus 6 comes out, and that leaves 2x minus 3. And now we do the what? Yeah. So again, pen's ahead of the brain. And we do the safety check, which is there anything else I can factor out of either of those? Just to be sure. You know, is there an extra 2 or an extra x or anything? Can we call it the alley step, or is that embarrassing? Okay, cool. That's okay. So we're good there now. We've got that guy's completely factored out. And again, the new twist on this is right here with going from 6 minus x to x minus 6.